Dragon fruits. Hey fruit lovers! Ever seen a fruit that looks like it's straight out of a fantasy world? Meet the dragon fruit. With its fiery pink skin and speckled white or red flesh, it's as magical as it sounds. But what makes this tropical gem so special? Stick around as we dive into some juicy dragon fruit facts. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a fruity adventure. So, what exactly is dragon fruit? Also known as pitaya or pitahaya, this tropical fruit comes from the 𝗙𝗏𝐿𝐿 cactus, which blooms at night. That's right, it's basically the vampire of the fruit world. Dragon fruit is native to Central America, but is now grown in many tropical and subtropical regions like Vietnam, Thailand, and even Australia. Did you know that dragon fruit comes in different varieties? The most common types are 1. White-fleshed dragon fruit, pink skin, white flesh, and tiny black seeds. 2. Red-fleshed dragon fruit, deep pink skin with stunning red flesh. 3. Yellow dragon fruit, bright yellow skin with white flesh, often the sweetest of the three. Dragon fruit isn't just pretty, it's packed with nutrients. It's a great source of fiber, vitamin C, magnesium, and antioxidants. But remember, while dragon fruit has some great nutrients, we're not making any medical claims here. Always check with a healthcare professional if you're looking for specific health advice. Not sure how to eat dragon fruit? It's super easy. Just slice it in half and scoop out the flesh with a spoon, or dice it up and add it to smoothies, salads, or even desserts. Some people love blending it into a vibrant smoothie bowl. Talk about Instagram worthy. Let's spice things up with some fun facts. Dragon fruit is related to cactus plants, which explains why it thrives in dry climates. The flowers only bloom for one night and are pollinated by bats and moths. Some people say the tiny seeds inside taste a bit like kiwi seeds. Want an even sweeter dragon fruit? Let it ripen until it's slightly soft before eating. Dragon fruit isn't just a snack, it's a cultural favorite in many countries. In Vietnam and Thailand, it's a popular street food. In Mexico, it's often turned into refreshing juices. And in Taiwan, it's used in all sorts of desserts. No matter where you go, dragon fruit is a beloved exotic treat. And that's a wrap on our dragon fruit adventure. Have you ever tried dragon fruit? What's your favorite way to eat it? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a fruity fact. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.